Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1959 Austin Healey Bugeye Sprite, right-hand drive. It's finished in this really pretty signal red with Matador red interior, 4-speed, drum brakes. It's got the original 948cc engine, which a lot of owners have changed them out by now to 1275. So it's kind of rare to find a Bugeye with its original driveline. Pretty good little car. Like I said, it's right-hand drive, which makes it kind of an anomaly here in the US. But had a nice little restoration recently, and we've got it running. We're just about to get it driving and out on the road, so we will be posting a driving video of it. But really good newish glossy paint, chrome work, nice original wheels and tires fitted. You can see here original hubcap car, which is correct. Pretty decent little body. We looked underneath. It looks like it's had floor replacements, which is very typical for a right-hand drive car, because, you know, it probably had some of its life spent in the UK. But really nicely restored car, nice little interior. It's got this sport alloy steering wheel. Interior wise, it's got a little bit darker trim, you can see here, but you know, fully restored dashboard, seats, carpets are in good shape. Pretty good gaps, pretty good body, pretty good paint work. Let's take a look in this car's engine compartment, where you're going to be really surprised how clean and well restored it is. So under here you can see this is our engine compartment on our Bugeye. Very nicely painted, very nicely restored. There's that little popcorn 948cc original engine. But if you look in here, you can see it's had new shocks, it's had some suspension work. All that's been tidied up and painted chassis black, which is real attractive. In here, all the bulkheads been done, the engine's been cleaned up and painted nicely. So definitely, you know, definitely an above average Austin Healey Bugeye engine compartment as far as cleanliness and how nicely detailed this was done during its restoration. So yeah, pretty nice car overall. Really lovely glossy red paint work. And being a special Bugeye, being in that right-hand drive form, this car comes with a black soft top in pretty good condition, fits the car really well. You can see that from all the still photos. We're going to be posting a driving video of this car shortly. Runs great. We're just fussing with a few knickknacks to get it roadworthy. But there you have it, 1959 Austin Healey Bugeye Sprite, finished in this really attractive signal red, dark red interior, 4-speed disc wheels, drum brakes, 948cc engine, right-hand drive, real interesting little car. It's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.